What if I told you that eating just 2 eggs every day could completely change your body in ways you never imagined? For years, people said eggs are bad. They shall raise cholesterol, block your arteries, maybe even give you a heart attack. But guess what science now says? The opposite is true. Eggs are actually one of the most powerful superfoods on earth. And today I shall show you 7 shocking transformations that happen inside your body when you eat 2 eggs daily. Some changes starts in 24 hours and by 30 days. You would not believe the difference. But before we jump in, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell because trust me, you don't want to miss more life-changing health secrets like this. Transformation number 1, brain power boost. When you start eating 2 eggs every day, within just 1 week, your brain begins to work better. You shall notice that you can remember things more easily. You can focus longer without getting distracted. Your thinking feels clear and faster. Why does this happen? Because eggs are rich in a special nutrient called choline. What is choline? Choline is a type of vitamin-like nutrient that your body needs to keep your brain healthy. Think of it like fuel for your brain's engine. Without enough choline, your brain feels slow, foggy, and forgetful. The problem is 90% of people don't get enough choline in their diet. Choline helps your brain make neurotransmitters. These are like tiny messengers that improve memory, focus, and learning. Just 2 eggs give you around 250 milligram of choline. That's almost half of what your body needs in a day. Eating eggs regularly may even protect your brain from problems like dementia in the future. So eggs are not just food, they are real fuel for your brain. Transformation number 2, more energy and muscle strength. When you eat 2 eggs daily, your muscles start to get stronger even if you don't change your workout routine. Eggs are full of high quality protein. Each egg has about 6 grams of protein that your body can use right away. This protein repairs your muscles, keeps you strong, and gives you steady energy. Eggs have an amino acid called leucine. Leucine acts like a switch that tells your body, start building muscle now. This works whether you are 25 years old or 65 years old. Unlike junk foods that gives quick energy and then a crash, eggs give you long-lasting power. You feel less tired, your body recovers faster after workout or exercise. You stay active for longer hours. And because eggs also have iron and vitamin B12, they help your blood carry more oxygen. That's why you feel fresh and energetic throughout a day. A study in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate 2 eggs daily for 12 weeks gained more muscle mass compared to those who ate the same number of calories from carbs. So every time you eat 2 eggs, you are basically telling your body, build stronger muscles right now. Transformation number 3, a heart shield. For many years, people believed eggs are bad for your heart. They said eggs raised cholesterol and cause heart attacks. But now, new science proves the opposite. Eating eggs are actually makes your heart healthier and stronger. Eggs do have cholesterol, but your liver is smart. When you eat cholesterol from eggs, your liver simply makes less of it. So your total cholesterol stays balanced. Eggs raise your HDL cholesterol, which is called the good cholesterol. HDL works like a cleaned crew in your blood. It removes harmful fats from your arteries. Eggs have potassium, which relaxes your blood vessels and controls blood pressure. Eggs also have folate, which lowers homocysteine, a harmful chemical that damages artery walls. Dr. James USA ate 2 eggs daily after his heart attack. After 6 months, his good cholesterol went up by 40%, and his doctor was shocked at how healthy his heart became. Now studies show eating 2 eggs daily actually protect your heart. Transformation number 4, your eyes get supervision. Within just 2 weeks of eating 2 eggs daily, your eyes start to get sharper. Colors look brighter. you see better in low light, and your risk of blindness drops a lot. Eggs are rich in two powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. Both of these go directly into your retina that act like natural sunglasses inside your eyes. They protect your eyes from harmful light and damage. They improve night vision, sharpen your focus, and even cut your risk of blindness by over 50%. Imagine upgrading your eyes from a basic camera to a professional one. Vitamin A in eggs improve night vision. People who eat 2 eggs daily have 5 times higher lutein levels than those who don't eat eggs. Study shows people with high lutein intake reduce their risk of eye disease by 57%. Eat 2 eggs for just 2 weeks and your eyes will thank you. Transformation number 5. Glowing skin, strong hair and nails. Within 3 weeks of eating eggs daily, your skin starts glowing, your hair shines, and your nails stop breaking. That's because eggs are packed with biotin, selenium, collagen, building proteins, and sulfur compounds. They repair skin from the inside out, fight wrinkles, and make you look years younger. Protein repairs damaged skin and build new healthy cells. In eggs, vitamin A keeps your skin soft and prevent dryness. Vitamin E in eggs protects your skin from pollution, sunlight, and aging. Antioxidants in eggs fight free radicals that cause wrinkles and dull skin. So in less than a month, 2 eggs a day can turn your skin younger, fresher, and naturally glowing. Transformation number 6. Your energy levels skyrocket. Forget coffee crashes. Eggs give you clean, steady energy that lasts us all day. They are loaded with B vitamins, your body's natural energy factories. Instead of spiking your blood sugar like bread or cereal, eggs keep it stable so you feel awake, focused, and full of hours. By the 4th week of eating 2 eggs daily, you feel more energy, less body pain, and better stamina in daily life. Transformation number 7. Supercharged immunity. This one kicks in fast. Within 48 hours, eggs are packed with vitamin D, selenium, zinc, and complete protein. These nutrients combine to make your immune system unspotable. People who eat eggs regularly get sick less often and recover faster. It's like giving your body its own superhero shield. But here's a warning. Not all eggs are same. Factory eggs are low in nutrients and full of chemicals. Always choose pasture-raised or omega-3 eggs with deep orange yolks. They're way healthier and more powerful. So here's my challenge for you. Eat 2 quality eggs every day for 30 days. Track your energy, your focus, your skin, everything, and you shall be shocked at the results. If this video was helpful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more easy health tips. Thanks for watching.